What is a rotating car seat? I'm Haley Jacoby and I'm a CPST-I. A rotating car seat, sometimes called a swivel seat, is a car seat that spins on its base. So instead of leaning into the car to buckle your child in a rear-facing position, you can spin the seat toward you, buckle them in, and rotate them back. And when something is easier, you're more likely to do it correctly. That means parents are more likely to keep their child rear-facing longer, which is the safest way for babies and young children to ride. Rotating seats can also be a great option for grandparents or caregivers with physical limitations. And with most rotating seats, you install it once and you're done. No reinstalling when you switch from rear-facing to forward-facing. The trade-off is size. The swivel mechanism is what makes these seats great, but is also why they take up more room in your back seat. They tend to be large front to back, which can be a challenge in smaller vehicles. And keep in mind, you need to be able to swivel it, so you need space around it as well. They are also more expensive than most traditional convertible car seats. And worth noting, some rotating seats have a lower rear-facing weight limit than some traditional convertibles, so check the specs before you buy. All seats sold in the US must meet the same federal safety standards, and rotating seats are no exception. They go through the same crash testing requirements as any other convertible seat. The most important thing to remember is that a rotating seat must always be locked into either a rear or forward-facing position before the vehicle is moving, whether your child is in it or not. So is a rotating car seat worth it? If it fits your car, your budget, and your lifestyle, absolutely.